Hello everybody, welcome back to Blessed Performance YouTube channel. Be sure to click like, subscribe, follow, whatever. I don't know what it all is, honestly. I lose track. Check out our TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Oh, we got all of it. So yeah, I wanted to make a quick short video just to show you guys something. No, we do not sell this product. We have no intentions of selling it. I'm sure that it would make me some money, all that other crap, and you can sell it for a profit, but I'm not gonna get into the stereo game. It's not something that I have the time to do right now. But I wanna show you guys this because it's freaking cool. So, Blue Jeans does a lot of road tripping for us, and we're gonna be doing some road tripping here soon for Rudy's. So, we upgraded the dash a little bit. This is for AutoTech Pro. I haven't played with this before, but let's go to that. This is pretty sweet. It's a little glitchy on the reverse camera. I'm not gonna say that's great, but it works. It's got the full 360 camera. So from my understanding of the way this system works is it just feeds off of the sync through here, and this is like a second display screen. Okay, I did have to do an update, but I will say this: when I called AutoTech Pro, they were very quick to answer and help. They did say that because it's a supplied from the actual sync module, your AIPM, that it can be a little delayed or laggy. But this is a full Android app, Apple or Android tablet. As you can see, I've got access to emails in here with no problem. We can watch our own YouTube on here. I need to go back in here real quick to the console and connect this to here and go over here. We can go to our YouTube channel, watch some shorts, or watch a video. Take that nut off that one. So this is the most recent one where we installed the new S474 from Turbo Time on here. I can promise you, I just think it's freaking cool. Your truck, and you think that it's going to fit perfectly out of the box. Now, drop-in turbos are one thing. We will close this out. Now, obviously, I don't recommend doing this driving down the highway. That being said, it's pretty cool. You got to supply it a Wi-Fi signal, of course, and there's probably a million other features. I'm going to download Hulu. I'm going to download, I think I already have downloaded Hulu. Let's see here. Hulu. Looking for this app. Oh, I guess it doesn't work on Hulu. My bad. Alrighty. So Netflix, so that's the other one you can download. Watch some TV going down the highway. I just figured show you guys what we did to Blue Jeans. We got the grill back on and ready for the trip to Rudy's. And next we're going to do some rock lights. So we'll make a video for that for you guys, showing you guys some rock lights. Be sure to swing by the booth, check out the new swag, new hats, or order them on our website. Anyways, once again, we're not going to be selling this. I'm not advocating that you need to do this. I'm just simply sharing what I did to Blue Jeans, because Blue Jeans is my project truck, just like you all have project trucks. So if you've got a newer Super Duty and you want to upgrade it, this is the way to go. This thing is awesome. It's super responsive, super fast. Whoops. I need to go back and put it back to the Bluetooth. I just think it's awesome that I can put Stream Pandora on here. And I mean, shoot, it looks like there's a SIM card I can put in the thing and make it a cell phone driving down the highway. Check out AutoTech Pro. That's who we got that from. If you're looking for an upgraded radio, that's definitely a good one to do. Check out that Overkill Fab Grill. Like, damn. Doesn't that look gorgeous? Doesn't that look gorgeous? Kick-ass job, Overkill Fab. Bodyguard bumpers, Morimoto headlights, pusher compound kit, Turbo Time S474. Winter wheels should hopefully be coming off soon. We got some new wheels for Blue Jeans coming in. Can't wait to show you guys those and take the winter wheels off. So, thanks again. Be sure to click like, subscribe, follow, set up the notifications so you can see anytime I release a video. Once again, just a cool upgrade we did. I thought I would share with you guys. So it wasn't very difficult. I will say that it was something I meant to say. It was not difficult to install, not at all. When you purchase this, they send you a link in your email. Pay attention to that. I didn't know that, so I installed it without that directions. 100% honestly, I did like 95% of it without those directions. So therefore it shows that it's not very difficult to do. I did need a little bit of tech support. I called their number. They answered. They gave me the tech support. They sent me, I had to do an update on the system. They sent me that update like within seconds. I loaded it to a zip drive, put it down there. It updated the software inside there and made the sync work flawlessly, other than like just a 1 second delay. For an upgraded stereo and a newer truck, you really can't complain about that. I appreciate you guys following us. I appreciate the support, and we look forward to seeing you this year at shows. Be sure to walk up to the truck and let me show it to you. See if you want to buy one for your truck. Have a blessed day.